One of my specialties or areas of interest is women's cardiovascular disease and women's health. So that is one of the things that I do specialize, especially in the clinic, focusing on women's specific risk factors for cardiovascular disease and prevention, and of course education in the community. So I am new to the area, and immediately from starting at Riverside, I felt like I had been here forever. I felt like people were friends and family that I had known forever, even on day one. I think we work very well together as a team, from the front desk staff to the nurses and medical assistants to our echo techs. I mean, everybody is just so supportive and so embracing and so welcoming and warm and friendly that it just is a pleasure to come to work every day. And you don't feel like you're coming to work, you feel like you're coming to hang out with friends and family. It's super important to have that trust with the patient, and it starts from day one, whether you're meeting in the hospital or meeting in clinic for the first time. And I think a big part of trust is communication and really listening to my patients, hearing what they have to say, getting all of their input in everything that we do. For my practice particularly, I'm very patient-centered and patient-oriented in that it's very important for me to have my patients play a big role in their care and what they want to do. So I always like to say I give you all the options that there are, but with the patient, I really like to come up with a plan together. And I find that that is always the best. If you are involved in your care and you're part of the decision-making and planning process, that people tend to just do better. And I think what kind of separates our practice is treating everybody like you're part of a family and saying, I would do this for my father or my sister. One of the most rewarding things is seeing a patient in follow-up who you saw in the hospital, who is very sick, who now is coming into the office a week, a month later, doing great, feeling great, being able to go back to the things they love doing. That is the reason that I went into medicine. That is what makes everything you do worth it. I'm Dr. Alexandra Ward, a cardiologist with Riverside Cardiology Specialists.